Did you know rabbits aren't just cute? They're basically nature's secret superheroes. These fuzzy friends have some mind-blowing tricks up their furry sleeves. Their ears can rotate 270 degrees. That's like having built-in satellite dishes that can hear predators from almost any direction. And get this, a rabbit's teeth never stop growing. They're constantly wearing them down by munching on vegetation. But here's what makes rabbits truly incredible. They're social butterflies with serious attitude. Ever seen a rabbit do a binky? That's when they jump and twist in midair. Basically their version of a happy dance. It's like watching pure joy in furry form. But beneath that adorable exterior, rabbits are surprisingly complex. In the wild, they're master communicators using over 14 different body language signals. One wrong move could mean the difference between friendship and feeling threatened. If you like our content, subscribe for more.